I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas A. Edison. Affiliate mentor price. I'm going to break it down. What is the price for affiliate mentor? I'll break it down. But what is the price and the cost to not get started today? Because you're guaranteed nothing in this life. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. My wife got hit by a speeding car going 45 miles an hour after she was done work. On her Friday, it was my Monday. Guess what? I was working the very next day. This happened November 20th, and she still is not able to even walk, barely able to stand with help. Tomorrow is not promised. Your job may be firing you tomorrow. What happens if tragedy strikes with you? Somebody dies, or somebody gets hit by a car. Knock on wood. I'm not wishing anything bad on you. I'm just saying life happens. Life is going to life. Nothing is promised. What is the cost of and price of affiliate mentor? I'll break it down. But what's the price of not getting started? Oh, you're losing for tons. The first step in this system is to book an appointment with our affiliate mentor specialist, Justin Temple, now. He is a top 5 earner in affiliate mentor, and he's been a top earner in multiple programs since he was 15 years old. He was in a 100,000 affiliate program, and he was number 2 as a 15-year-old. This guy is amazing, and he works tirelessly. 6 days a week, he will help you build any online business at a certain time. And guess what? If you can't make that time, he, just like me, he will help you after work to build whatever business you want to build. So, let me break this down real quick. The cost. So the front end system is $50 a month. Pretty simple, right? And what do you make for $50 a month if somebody joins you? Make $20 a month recurring commission. So if you get 3 people, your system's paid for every month. And then you're in profit. Guess what? That $50 a month also gets you this site that shows your team exactly all these videos, exactly how to do it. And you also get 150 email swipes. These are the keywords to do now, are the exact keywords you need to rank on YouTube. And you can make a video just like this. You do not have to put yourself on camera. Okay? You have the copy and paste descriptions, the copy and paste keywords, the copy and paste hashtags, etc. Everything is copy and paste simple. And there's videos explaining what to do each step, including Facebook marketing. This is all you need and your team needs. But there's more. But this will rank all your videos and show your team how to rank on YouTube. And take it even further. Let's get their funnel set up, how to build your brand, how to make your first YouTube video, add video to Facebook, do Facebook marketing, add video into autoresponder. This is all you need to build any online business. But this is just the tip of the iceberg on how much training there is. Now, I'm going to go back to the calculator. So that's core. $20 every month residual, you pay $50. Now, what if you want to upgrade and you don't want to pay that $50 a month? That's $397 to get not 1 year, but 2 years. You get an extra free year. And if somebody comes in and gets that same upgrade, you get $200 instant commission. Now, what's our team strategy? You see the $200, right, for annual. That's an upgrade. It gives you 2 years, not 1 year, and $20 a month. So I'll take that $220 when I get my commissions, and I'm going to buy traffic for the smartest person will get in first, and they'll go all in. I'll take that $220, and I'm going to buy $220 worth of traffic. Because you're going to be in the rotator with me if you go all in. Now, you don't have to go all in. I'm just saying, if you do, you will be in our team rotator and will also build a team rotator. And I'm going to keep on investing all my income from this program until I get to $5,000 a month. And then I'm going to quit my JOB. Period. Now, this goes anytime somebody comes in for $50, they get this team site. Free of charge. This is all you need to succeed with any business. But this isn't even Simple Freedom Warriors, which you get if you go to the VIP. Now, how does the VIP work? Give me a second. So that is it's $397 for the upgrade for the year, but you get 2 years, and $20 a month you get residually for a $50 a month program. Okay, now if you get VIP, that's $297, and every time you cycle, you get $750 minus $250 to get back in the cycler, so that's $500 you get. But you also, if one of your team members cycles, you get 50% match, which is $250. You get this over and over and over and over again. Guess what? We're going to help you get leads, build your email list, and also help you get sales. Because again, anybody goes all in, I'm going to put them in my rotator, my team rotator, and we're going to give you a team rotator. And we'll give you all $15,000 with our bonuses, which includes Simple Freedom Warriors, which you got up to the elite level. That means you can earn for free. You can earn 50% commissions just bringing somebody into the webinar on Saturday, and he'll run the presentation. JT will run the presentation for you. All you got to do is be there. And you get 50% to any commission to anything. Now I'm going to show you this video real quick that I just ranked, I believe, first or second overall. And it's been a few hours now, but I also I checked it right 3 minutes after I made the video. There it is right there. Affiliate, what? Okay, hold on. Wholesale traffic review. I believe it has 3 views, and it's still second overall. It's 4 views now. So, our team is all over YouTube. And again, you will get a clone army. And what's our product? Traffic. Everybody needs traffic. And you also, Affiliate Mentor also will pay you for people clicking on your links and reading your emails. 10 cents each time. So you don't even have to make sales, and you can make money with this. You also get discounted traffic. You get top marketers. Man, this is an amazing thing. And they have top tier traffic. Affiliate Mentor is the front end for Traffic Authority. And they are traffic gurus. If you can't get eyeballs on your offer consistently and you can't build your list, don't send them to the capture page. That is not the way to succeed. You need to brand yourself, and we will help you. This is my Affiliate Mentor price video. The cost, you don't know what tomorrow will bring. Be prepared. Again, if you're not building somebody else, building your own dream, you're building someone else, help you build someone else's. Everyone says, this is a pyramid scheme. The pyramid scheme is your job. There's CEOs, there's general managers, there's district managers, there's stockholders. And guess what? The people that are building, that keep the company running, the actual employees like you and me, we get paid pennies on the dollar. We're not retiring from our job. Retirement is not even guaranteed now. They're trying to take Social Security. They've been trying to take that forever. You've been earning that your entire life. The JOB is not the way. I'm thankful for my job, but I need a backup plan. Because my wife got hit, like I said, right in front of me. She flew 50 feet. I didn't know if she was dead. That was November 20th. She still cannot walk to this day. She can barely stand for like 20, 30 minutes. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. Start building your dream today. Build your backup plan and then retire from your JOB. 2025 is the last year I plan on working at JOB. And I want to bring as many people, hopefully 100 people along with me this year. This is JJ Sala, a.k.a. John Sala, a.k.a. your friendly neighbor Solomon. Don't delay. Get with JD today. This is my affiliate mentor price video. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.